I'm very happy and glad to see all of you all on a Sunday evening. So यहाँ पे riders कौन कौन है? Who rides? So I think riders के लिए क्या होता है कि एक बहाना चाहिए ride के लिए जाना या कोई event हो और there's some gathering related to bike accessories. So हम लोग जल्द से पहुंच जाते हैं. So thank you to Race Moto for sharing this space and giving this opportunity to conduct the workshop. एक बहाना मिल गया हम लोग को सबको साथ में आना. काफ़ी मेरे ग्रुप मेंबर्स भी है, काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग नहीं मिले थे, सो आई थिंक इस बहाने हम लोग मिल गए. सो थैंक यू रेस मोटो, थैंक यू मिस्टर मोहसिन, सयम and the entire team. So we were planning for a workshop on awareness about how to make biking or riding much more comfortable, much more easier, much more safer. So कई बार हम लोग देखते हैं कि लोग काफ़ी खर्चा करते हैं राइडिंग गियर्स पे. अच्छी बाइक ले लेते हैं, बट डाइट और न्यूट्रिशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो लोग ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते. सो आई एम भावेश, आई एम फ्रॉम नेहा न्यूट्रीफिट. आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ नेहा न्यूट्रीफिट. आई स्पेशलाइज इनटू exercise, lifestyle and rehab. I'm also co-founder of Moto Masti Group, where we have been riding since last more than 11 years. So riding is a passion and by profession I'm into fitness. So nothing better that we club this together. So we thought about coming up with this topic of how do we how staying fit will make you a better rider. So we'll be sharing some tips on diet and exercise, how we can become better riders, and how during long rides all these things can help us. So we'll categorize this workshop into 3 parts. First is diet, second is exercise, and third we'll keep it for question and answers. Okay, so I would like to call Neha Chheda. She's the clinical dietitian. She's a co-founder of Neha NutriFit, and she's my better half. She has almost more than 20 years of experience in clinical diet and nutrition. She has worked with some reputed hospitals and fitness centers and clinics and corporates. So I would like to welcome Neha. If you can highlight few things on diet and tips while going for a long ride.
Thanks, Bhavesh, for this intro. Thanks, Sahil.
What a cheerleader.
All right. So first of all, thank you, Race Moto, for this beautiful space and the lovely audience on a Sunday evening. Welcome you all. I've always had talks with corporates, hospitals and fitness centers, but today with you lovely bikers, it's really different. So thank you once again for all of you all removing time and being here. So I have seen Bhavesh and his group, the Moto Masti group, do such treacherous rides and various different feats, which is even difficult to imagine. So I understand the diet requirements really well for what bikers actually require. My first slide speaks about the IBW, that is the ideal body weight. Ideal body weight is not about just numbers, but it's very important and apt to maintain an ideal body weight to have a good and a smooth ride. The next very important is the recommended dietary allowances. Every country has something called as a recommended dietary allowances. That is how much of calories should you have in the entire day. Okay, another important concept that I would like you all to know is the BMI, that is basal metabolic index. This is basically the ratio of your height and weight. And at the top we see fats and oils. As we all know, fats and oils you should be used very sparingly.
When we talk about motorcycle, बाइक पे जा रहा हूँ, हेलमेट पहना के नहीं. So first thing किसी को याद आता है वो हेलमेट है. So helmet definitely it saves you, it saves life, but the prolonged use of the helmet eventually creates a lot of pressure on your cervical, a lot of pressure on your back muscles, on your neck. So it is very important that when you're using a helmet, first of all use the best kind of helmet which is available. Wearing a helmet or maybe using the helmet for a prolonged time while riding, it is actually creating a lot of compressive force on your cervical spine, thereby creating compression on your disc. One machine which I love is rower. So कितने लोग जिम में जाते हैं? So जिम में there is this one machine जो rowing machine रहता है. It's a very underrated machine. ज़्यादा कोई मैं देखता भी नहीं हूँ use करते हैं. But trust me, that is one of the best machine to use. So in this, if you'll see, you are utilizing your entire lower torso, and in rotation, you are using your entire spine to move. So this is again very good for females also below. So we have our trainer Masveer. She is internationally certified. She is working with Neha NutriFit since more than 7 years now. इसको हम लोग छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका बोलते हैं. Thank you, Masveer. Thanks. The moment you take a break, just do basic stretches. When you're riding in group, so one of the stretch what Masveer has recommended, again that works wonder. So these are few things which will help you while going for a long ride. So fitness is actually state of mind. So that's why riding is a passion. It keeps you fit, but it's amazing, and it's amazing to have all of y'all here spending this Sunday evening, especially Rahul and all. We hope that y'all keep riding and ride safe.